Hey YouTubers, it's the American Samurai, back in with a special unboxing video. But first, let's talk. There's several great reviewers on YouTube, which I count myself in that small community. I hope there are others that agree with me. And I was watching this group calling themselves Retro Game TV. Great stuff. If you're into retro video games, I'd check out their stuff. I highly recommend Pat the NES Punk and the Game Chasers. But it occurred to me, a lot of wrestling fans are probably retro gaming fans also, or are gamers in some way, shape, or form. So I'm kind of wondering, why aren't we posting video game reviews as well? I mean, we can do it too. Just something on. I just got my first order from eBay. I won this in an auction, $10 plus $3 shipping and handling, so altogether about $13 for this DVD. I know you're wondering, what DVD could he have possibly gotten from eBay? Yeah, if I can get this thing open, I'll show you. Now, if you remember, I did a review early on of a straight shooting DVD featuring Jim Cornette and J.J. Dillon. Well, recently, while searching eBay, I discovered another, I got a whole series actually, but one particular one caught my interests. It's no secret that there are certain ones I'm a fan of, and one of them you of course know is Mick Foley. Well, I found, I guess he did his work with Ring of Honor. That is it. Straight shooting with the man himself, Cactus Jack, Dude Love, whatever you want to call him, Mick Foley. So let's see how this looks here. Ooh, careful. A little broke, but not bad. Looks like there's good condition. First disc looks good. Second disc. Scratches, but you still play pretty well, okay. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Yeah, straight shooting for Ring of Honor Mick Foley. Looks like some pretty good shape to this set. Oh, it looks great. So until next time, it's the American Samurai saying, I'll be back.